have heard where people's product is taken off for many reasons. Now, that is an urban myth, all right? It's utter bullshit. Amazon does not take your product at all. What Amazon does, let's just go back over to Amazon. Amazon has got its own line of products. So if you go to Kohl's or Woolies, you will see that they have their own Kohl's and Woolies private label products, all right? So yes, you can buy, I don't know, your Heinz baked beans, but you can also buy Kohl's own brand baked beans in tomato sauce. So that happens all the time. Amazon has its own thing, and that thing is called Amazon Basics. So if we search for, well, here's an easy way to go about finding things. We do our not shitty search, we do our search with our little modifier. Of course, that's what it is now, it's a modifier. And then we come down here on the left-hand side, and we're going to scroll down. So see here, one of the things is Amazon Prime. So loads and loads of folks only buy things that are Amazon Prime. Loads of them, all right? It's just like, it's crazily, lots and lots of them do that, all right? Let's go into a department, I don't know, garden and outdoors, for instance, I don't know what. And then we can look at the seller, and you can see that Amazon.com sells some things. Now, that is not Amazon ripping off products. What that is, I'll just show you that quickly because that's another thing that people get confused about. What that is Amazon Vendor Central, where Amazon is the, like I taught you, if anybody's got my wholesale training course, I taught you how to become a wholesaler on Amazon. Well, this is Amazon being a wholesaler on Amazon. So they go to companies like these, Sawyer, for instance, products, and they approach them and they basically buy products from them and then sell them direct, all right? So that's what that is. But instead, let's just go for Amazon Basics. Here we go. So Amazon Basics is Amazon's own private label brand. It's its own private label brand. And this is all the things that they've got that are private labeled on their particular platform. So if I just go to, let's go to this one, for instance. So these are Amazon Basic batteries. Now batteries, crazily commoditized product. Nobody really gives a rat's ass about which brand of battery they buy. Certainly not many folks anyway. Some folks, they want to buy Duracells, but there's not many of those folks. So it's a perfect product for Amazon to go into and private label and set their own thing up. So the horror stories are that Amazon does this to your product. Let me tell you, that just ain't true. They ain't doing that. They don't give a rat's ass about your product. They will look at big, huge selling products like nappies or diapers if you're in the US. They'll look at nappies and batteries and commoditized products, but they won't bother with smaller products. So if you follow Jace, my step-by-step training in the AOE course, you won't have to worry about that at all, all right? It's only products that are massively commoditized that are potential targets for Amazon Basics. And the biggest Amazon Basics that they do is clothes. Amazon is the #1 in the world retailer of clothes online, the #1 in the world. And they've got tons and tons and tons of Amazon Basics in that, like socks, undies, bras, t-shirts, that sort of stuff. So they've got loads and loads of those, but for the most part, it's not an issue. Don't worry about that. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing. If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.